This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracey Young. A rare opportunity in Tiburon Golf Resort. Offered at a substantial discount in current as-is condition. Buyer prefers to not continue to oversee the renovation at this time. Call for details on this special 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath condo that lives like a villa. New wood flooring ordered. Make your choice ASAP on color. Enjoy the carefree condo lifestyle while keeping the privacy and luxury of a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath single-family home. This special residence offers a giant wraparound outdoor patio secured with a private gated walkway past golf course views of hole number 1. Large enough to lay out your own putting green in your backyard. Your indoor living space offers rich wood flooring, wood plantation shutters, a walk-through granite kitchen with breakfast bar. All bedrooms offer sliding doors to screen patios. This residence is a tri-corner condo with windows and sliding doors in all rooms. Ventanas offers the largest pool in Tiburon, complete with lap lanes, spa, tiki hut, gas grills and big golf course views. Tiburon membership amenities include beach access, attended fitness center, full-service spa, tennis, club dining and of course the Ritz-Carlton Golf Resort on site. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracey Young at 239-209-7511.